This is the all-new OPPO Find N6, a premium foldable smartphone that combines powerful performance with a sleek and modern design. The device features a compact and lightweight foldable body that feels extremely comfortable in hand, making it perfect for daily use without the bulk usually associated with foldable phones. The back panel comes with a premium leather-like texture in a bold orange color, giving it a unique and stylish look that stands out from typical smartphones. The large circular camera module on the back adds a flagship feel, housing advanced sensors designed for high-quality photography and videography. When you open the device, you get a stunning inner display that is smooth, vibrant, and nearly crease-free, offering an immersive viewing experience whether you are watching videos, gaming, or multitasking. The outer display is equally impressive, allowing you to use the phone without unfolding it, which makes it highly practical for quick tasks like messaging, calling, or browsing. Both displays offer high refresh rates, delivering smooth scrolling and a premium user experience. Under the hood, the OPPO Find N6 is powered by a flagship-level processor that ensures fast performance, smooth multitasking, and efficient power usage. Whether you are playing heavy games, editing videos, or running multiple apps at the same time, this phone handles everything effortlessly. It is paired with ample RAM and storage options, giving you enough space and speed for all your needs. The camera system is one of the key highlights of this device. The large circular module includes multiple lenses that capture detailed and sharp images in different lighting conditions. From ultra-wide shots to portrait photography and zoom capabilities, the camera delivers professional-level results. The front camera is also optimized for selfies and video calls, providing clear and natural-looking images. Battery life is another strong point of the OPPO Find N6. It comes with a long-lasting battery that easily gets you through a full day of usage. The device also supports fast charging technology, allowing you to quickly recharge and get back to using your phone without long waiting times. In terms of software, the phone runs on a clean and optimized interface that is specially designed for foldable devices. It offers smooth transitions between folded and unfolded modes, along with useful multitasking features like split screen and floating windows. This makes productivity easier and more efficient. Overall, the OPPO Find N6 is a perfect combination of innovation, style, and performance. It is designed for users who want a premium smartphone experience with the added advantage of a foldable display. Whether you are a content creator, gamer, or everyday user, this phone delivers in every aspect and sets a new standard for foldable smartphones in the market.